I'm up at Blaenrhondda, top of Treherbert, in the upper Rhondda Valley, and today I haven't been out much in the past few months to do these types of videos, but this itself is the wonderful Iron Age village at Blaenrhondda. Now, there is archaeological evidence that's come up from this site. We've got evidence of organic material such as leather. Wooden artefacts have been excavated here. We're talking about 100 years ago now, before dendrochronology. And also Roman evidence has actually come from this site as well. So we're talking about Iron Age, we're talking about late Iron Age Roman, we're talking about 2,000 years ago, 1,800 years ago, and this itself is absolutely brilliant. How can you explain this site without aerial photography? It's really difficult to do. I'd say look at Google and you'll see your settlement marked. This is an inner area, a bit like Caer Treherbert up on the Blaen Peninsula, and it's lots of enclosures, and down there is a circular structure. As we pan back across, there's so much going on here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to walk up along here as well. It's a wet August day, which is fine. I like the rain. It gets away the muggles, the tourists, and this is a great treat. And as we're sort of looking across these walls, again, you need aerial photography to assist you on this one. I've been to lots of these types of sites, and it's, again, looking at this one here, this indicates a little bit of a wall, a small enclosure within the large enclosure. That over there could be a much larger collapsed wall of some description. And as we're coming over into this zone, this is Michelle. And there's an interesting structure over here as well, and this is rather interesting. I had no idea this was here. Now this to me looks like some kind of a hearth. If that's the case, this puts this Iron Age settlement into a period when hearths like this were being constructed, into probably about the 1600s. So we've got a massive leap there, but then again, we're still learning lots of things out about the wonderful Iron Age and this landscape of the Rhondda Valley. And that over there, this over here, if I'm interpreting this correct, this here, yeah, I've got it. This is actually one of the hut circles here within the enclosure area. So you've got the back bit of the wall here, we're breaking into it here, and the entranceway would be about this area. So I think who's watching this video will have probably had enough by now of walls and stuff, but we'll just sort of keep wandering a little bit further over as I'm falling over. Don't come up here with sandals on. And there's quite a bit of it actually. Another circle there. Lots of these are reminiscent of the ones at Holyhead, the Holyhead Iron Age settlement there, very similar to that. And again, Treherbert on a Blaen Peninsula, very, very similar types of sites. Anyway, this is Karl-James Langford, and this is Archaeology Cymru. Come up here and see this site.